What's up, YouTube? This is Thomas from Thomas Invest and thank you for watching. Today I want to talk about what's happening right now in the stock market. It's Monday the 20th of September and the color is red today. There are several things going on and in this video I will give you my update. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get notified when I'm posting a video. I also appreciate an early thumbs up which helps me within the YouTube algorithm. For now, let's dive into it. So, first of all, there has been some rumors about a potential stock market crash. Stocks are overvalued according to a lot of people and there is or was a lot of hype around some stocks that wasn't really justified. When a stock market crash is coming, you will see these stocks going down big time. But let's talk more about this later in this video. In this chart, we see that the whole world is down, about 1 to 3%. So it's not just one market or industry or whatever. The reason why the market is down is because of a lot of fear of a stock market crash, so people are selling the stocks. This fear is caused mostly by Chinese Evergrande. I found this article on Yahoo Finance which explains it very well. Shares of China Evergrande Group plunged by more than 10% on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, as fear mounted that the Chinese real estate company would collapse under a major debt burden, impacting shareholders, bondholders and potentially triggering turmoil elsewhere across the global markets. The specter of a broader crackdown by the Chinese government on Hong Kong's real estate sector further added concerns. While the Evergrande situation is front and center, the reality is stock market valuations are overstretched and the market has enjoyed too long of a break from volatility and Monday's stock market declines are not surprising, said David Bonson, Chief Investment Officer at wealth management firm the Benson Group. So, there's a lot of things going on and I believe this is not just one day where the market is going down. I think it will continue a bit longer. Maybe some days, maybe some weeks with up and downs, who knows. The most important thing is how you can benefit the most out of this situation. So let's talk about these things you should do and what things you never should do. First of all, there's your mindset. When the market is red or there is fear of a market crash, a lot of people are panicking. So what you will see is when the things are looking bad, people are selling the shares to prevent any losses. This is also driven by the fact that many people buy stocks based on hype, ticker symbol, love for the company or brand, and not always pay attention for the valuation. You can argue a lot about this, but it's happening. So my first advice is to check if a company is overvalued before you buy it. Just do the minimum amount of research, watch some bear and bull articles about this company. Check some videos of different people, read their 10K file or investor relations, and check the numbers of the company. It takes about 3 hours to do the minimum amount of research and it can prevent big losses. The next thing is to take a look at the fundamentals of the company. When the market is going down and there are no significant changes within the fundamentals or the business and shares are going down, don't sell. It can happen that you bought a stock and the fundamentals changed in the recent weeks, months or even years. That's why you want to check this time to time. Famous investor Warren Buffett has many quotes such as be greedy when others are fearful or buy when there's blood in the market. So this is my third advice. When the market is red, see it as an opportunity. When the fundamentals are the same, the valuation is okay, but the stock is down because of fear in the market, then this could be a nice opportunity to buy the stock at lower prices. But you have to be absolutely sure that the fundamentals are the same in the valuation as well. Also, don't buy on the first day of the crash or correction. You want to wait to see if there's any more news, fear or doubt in the market. Take your time to do your research and don't try to time the market. If your research is correct, you will make some profits anyway. My fourth and last advice is to take a look at the process and profits you already made. It's not always a bad thing when the market is going down a bit. As discussed before, this also creates many opportunities. With looking back, you will push down the fear you might have. Investing in stock is not about days or weeks, but about being years or decades in the market. Unless you are a day trader, of course. So my conclusion is to take a moment to see if there are any changes within the business or market where your company is operating in. When there are no fundamental changes and your company has good valuations, do some research to see if this is an interesting buy opportunity. And also remember to always do your own research and never fully trust on what I or other YouTubers say about stock. I'm not a financial advisor and this content is just for entertaining purposes only. I hope you liked this video and I did bring some insights of the company to you. I would really appreciate a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to get notified when I'm posting a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.